welcome to the XUCPA channel. Today it's on tip 23 and the topic is IRA contribution. IRA contribution, sometimes people call it IRA contribution, is a formal retirement contribution. And how does that work? Which means if you have active income, you have W-2, or if you have a business, you are more than welcome to actually open up an IRA traditional account where you can contribute $6,000, every year. And the good thing is that you actually have all the way till April 15 of the following year to make this contribution and still be able to benefit from the deduction. So the incentive is that it helps you reduce your tax burden. So say for example, if you're an individual filer, the limit will be $6,000. And then if you and your spouse both want to contribute, then it will be up to $12,000. It is a tax deduction. Unless you contribute to a Roth account, then that will be a different story. So hopefully if those of you who are interested to actually reduce the tax burden and have not contributed to an IRA account, you might want to consider. If you're not sure, if you have more questions, please feel free to reach out and we would love to help you. As usual, if you like to support our channel, please hit the like button and we will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Have a good one, and then we will talk soon.